I want to highly recommend to you this Pentair PBS-400 water filtration system. We've got it underneath our kitchen sink, and I've actually seen this in my neighborhood coffee shops and some restaurants. It's a great little system. It just hooks up to your hot water and your cold water, and then it just purifies your water for about a year. We change ours every 12 months, and I want to show you how easy it is to change this filter cartridge. So first of all, what you want to do is turn off the water supply, and then I use just an old pan or a bucket or whatever you can slide underneath it, just in case some water is released. You can go ahead and bleed the water out of your sink. Just a little tiny bit comes out. And then just lefty-loosey, nope, sorry, righty-tighty. Pull it out. There's the water collected. And then if you notice, I've got it dated here, 6/22. I'll go ahead and redate the new one and then slide it in and show you just how easy it is. Okay, now after removing the plastic wrap and the protective cap, you're just going to slide this back up into the hole. There's two little lips here, so it's going to catch somewhere. And then once it goes in, you just spin it to lock it into place. And that's it. And it's good for another 12 months. We really, really enjoy this water filtration system. It gives our family clean water and peace of mind.